Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make cloud dough with just 2 ingredients, which are corn flour and hair conditioner. What is cloud dough? Cloud dough is also called moon sand, and it's a homemade mixture for sensory play activities, which is important to help your development and learning. Cloud dough is powdery like flour, but it is also mouldable. So like sand, you can mould and make different shapes with it. It has a silky smooth texture, and this one is scented with the conditioner. It's really hands-on, so creates a great learning experience. So what we're going to need is a bowl or a container for mixing and playing in, some conditioner, I chose apple scented because it smells yummy, some corn flour, and either a spoon or your hands to mix with. I prefer using my hands to mix for the sensory experience. So first of all, we're going to pour some corn flour into our bowl. Second of all, we're going to put some conditioner into the bowl with the corn flour. Then we're going to use our hands and mix it together like this. Now it will start to stick together and you'll be able to mould it into a ball. If you have some bits that aren't sticking together, then put a little bit more conditioner in the bowl and it will help them stick. Then keep mixing it all together until it looks something like this. Now this would be the colour of the cloud dough with just the corn flour and the conditioner, but if you would like to make different colours, you're going to need some food colouring. And you do exactly the same thing, but just add a little bit of colour. Just like this. If your mixture ends up looking like this, that means you need a little bit more flour because the mixture's too runny. But if your mixture looks crummy, then you need a bit more conditioner to help it stick together. So it should end up looking like this. Well done, and now you can have lots of fun playing with it and make different shapes. Can you see what colours I've made? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Remember, when you're finished making, to help your adults clean up. And adults, just so you know, yellow food colouring is my least favourite because it does tend to stain surfaces. but if you can't get it out, use some hand sanitizer like this and it always gets it off. You can crumble it down so it's like sand, and then mould it back together into all sorts of shapes. Thanks for watching!